Ever wondered how a game could capture the magic and mystery of potion brewing? Welcome to Potion Craft, where endless possibilities await. Potion Craft is a sandbox game that allows players to brew potions indefinitely, offering hours of gameplay. Let's explore the basics. In this early access version, you can customize your potions extensively, from container shapes to corks and colors, adding a layer of creativity. The game features mysterious brewing processes and haggling mechanics. You can trade with other characters for ingredients or sell your potions. Like Potion Tycoon, Potion Craft provides a rich alchemy experience where you blend various ingredients to create unique effects and solutions. The gameplay extends beyond just brewing. Consuming certain potions can result in interesting outcomes, like the appearance of a new lover who kisses you passionately. Potion Craft offers endless possibilities with its sandbox gameplay. From customizing potions to engaging in alchemical experiments, it's a game for potion enthusiasts and casual players alike. Have you tried Potion Craft? Share your favorite brewing recipes or experiences with us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into fascinating games.